I'm seriously OCD about certain shit. I just had a friend come over. You know, we were talking probably a good hour, but he did the one thing that grosses me the fuck out. He kept yawning. Like, oh my god. Stop blowing your fucking breath. Stop it. Stop it. I literally did like this, and I was like, you gotta go. I'm gonna walk you to the door. You gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm so grossed out. Why do people do that? Stop open mouth yawning in someone's face. Keep that shit to yourself. Yawn in your shirt. Stop blowing that toxic air out like that. Am I the only one? That doesn't gross you out?